Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this 3-in-1 interactive cat toy. So, if you watch my videos, you know I have a couple cats, Booger and Thomas, and they are super playful. At least they're like completely opposite, but they both like to play, so. All right, let's open this up here. This features, it's a 3-in-1 interactive, not for children, paw friendly, rechargeable power. It's got a catnip addable ball, activates every 4 hours, built-in light sensors on and off. It's got little 3-piece feathers that poke in and out, a couple butterflies, different things like that. So I think the cats are gonna have a lot of fun with this. Let's see what we got here in the box. All right. So, wow, there's little butterflies there on that. That's neat. And here we go. Let's see if we can't bring that out of there. All right. It has another little butterfly on there. The cats will have fun attacking that, I think. They play pretty rough. Some of the cats, like Boogers, kind of plays pretty rough there. All right. And here is that. Whoa. Got some instructions here. This looks kind of complicated. But pretty neat. Gonna have to charge this up. The cats are sleeping right now. Or actually, they're probably just playing. So they can kick that around. Looks like it's going to take well, maybe a little bit of setup here. Right, the other one has like these holes in the side where these little pom-poms like stick out and the cats like try to grab them. That's kind of cool. And then it has this little baggie here. So we have an extra little, looks like we can change this out if the cats get that one. This one looks like it'll just poke out of the hole there, I think. Might have to read the instructions here to figure this one out. Looks like a little complicated. That looks kind of fun to play with there. We got another little ball. This one's got a little bell in there. I wonder if it just slides in there or we have to take this off. It might take a little bit of having to look at the instructions there, how to set this up here. So we are going to charge it up, make sure that it's all good to go, I think. It does have some batteries on the back. It tells you how to turn it on. Okay, so no batteries. It does have this little pack here. Power source, USB, rechargeable battery only, customer care. Okay. Oh, nice. So it looks like we just plug it in right here in the bottom. I wonder if it'll turn on right now. Let's see if it will or not. It's just got some lights on there. I'm going to take this little plastic part off of there. What is happening? I think one of these can go on top there. Oh, let's turn it off. Oh, that is cool. Those little things stick out there. Let's see if we can put this in the top there. All right, and then that just kind of whips around there. The cats can play with that, but it's not going to like hit them or anything in the face. That's kind of neat. And it has another feature here. I think they're going to like that. This one here is like pretty cool. These things just stick out and the cats can go for them, I think. Where'd it go? Stuck out that side. Oh. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I think they're going to really enjoy that. I'm enjoying it. All right. Whoa. So it looks like it has a few features there. How do we turn it off here? Maybe just hold it down. Okay. Oh no, extra fast. Yep, we're off. Okay. And then it has this too that they can play with. I wonder how that ball comes out of there. I wonder if we just, no, I don't think we can force it in there. Might have to read up on this a little bit on the instructions. And I have to just wiggle that off of there. So that's pretty cool. Little butterfly on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this charged up fully. And when the cats come out tomorrow, they're gonna have a new toy to play with. And hopefully they enjoy it as much as I did. I'm gonna plug this in my USB right here. And then, so plug it in right here in the bottom. It's got that cord hole. So there we are. All right, so its lights are on when it's charging there. And I'll go ahead and go through these instructions if there's anything further I need to let you guys know. Other than that, we'll pick it up here in a little bit when the cats are awake. Ooh, fast, very fast. Oh, got away. What are the other ones? Get a boogie. Fluttering butterfly. I think this mode, it'll do it for like 10 minutes. So it does have the different modes here. And the colors on the top of it tell you multi-color butterfly rotates, shakes, and the feather pops out for 4 minutes for a total of 12 minutes of work. And then blue, just the feather pops out. So that's where on for the right now is blue. Green, the butterfly rotates. And dark is the same with multicolor. It will identify the dark environment and turn off automatically. And orange is change feather mode. So if the cats do get that off, you can wait till it unscrews. It'll pop out, then you can take that off and put on another one if you want to. Attack. Now Boogie's getting in on the action. Get it, Boogie. Get it. My cats are very good at catching gophers and stuff. They're very patient. Get it. Is it Boogie? Get it, Boogie. Get it. Yeah. Good kitty. Oh. Get it, Thomas. Oh. Getting around for the other side. Thomas is more like, I just want to smell it. I don't want to attack. And Boogie's in like play mode. Get it, Boogie. What is it, Boogie? Like, I'm just gonna lick my paw here. Get it, Thomas. What is that, Thomas? What is it, buddy? Want to try the other one? Get it. Good job. Get it. Ah, well, you almost got it. Thomas, get it. Oh. Oh. It appears like right by Thomas. He doesn't notice it. Oh, we got some feathers off of it that time. Good job, Thomas. Left and a right and a right and a left. Man, he's getting a good workout on both paws. Good job, Thomas. Good job. Oh, fell off. This just puts right back on here, though. I was having so much fun with it. Yeah, Thomas. Thomas is really enjoying this one. Boogie. Boogie, you want to play? Good job, Thomas. Very fast. Push it down a little bit better. All right, put it on a little bit better. So this just lines up right there. So Thomas really likes the butterfly one. Boogie, get it, Boogie. Look at Thomas. He's playing so good. Good job, Thomas. He's got his little claws out. Boogie. Got it. Thomas got it. Oh. So it's pretty safe to say cats are kind of enjoying this. Boogie. He's like, I'd rather take a bath right now. They definitely like the whack-a-mole part and this little fluttering butterfly. Thomas just really enjoying it. And Booger's like, I'm just going to go explore. So, all right, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and we'll see y'all next time. Thomas is still playing with it. Boogie's a little hesitant about the butterfly thing. He does like the little mole thing, though. But Thomas has just been playing for a long time here. You guys ready to get the other one? Good job. Thomas is having so much fun. Look at him. He's like, I'll just lay down and get it. What is it, Boogie? You don't want to get it? Good job, Thomas. Thomas really likes the butterfly. I think Boogie liked the whack-a-mole option better. Ooh. Is that? Get it, Thomas. That's just the changing out mode. There we go. Blue is just the whack-a-mole. Where is it? Oh. Boogie! Come on, buddy. Thomas is having all the fun right now. Out just long enough to tease him. Boogie Bear. Oh, Boogie.